Hey, good morning. Remember I said we weren't probably gonna hit silage till next week? Well, our neighbor called. Sounds like Friday afternoon, Saturday, or it would be the next week, and I think at that point, the end of next week, we're gonna be a little too dry. So we are going to be chopping silage, hopefully tomorrow. So we're gonna have a big day of getting all of our poop in a group, essentially. Cleaning up the pile, moving tires, getting the packing tractor, all of the things. So come along for the fun as we prepare for silage parties. Cows, cows, cows. Oh look, a whole bunch of babies in the bunk. I mentioned that we were going to wean originally today, but with chopping, we're not gonna worry about it right now. We'll do it next week. That way the calves aren't screaming. We're not like trying to do that on top of everything we gotta get done today. So, more you know. We bedded the barn last night quickly at like 6 o'clock just to get that off the to-do list because it's gonna be a full busy day. Trying to math this morning and asked Dad 1,007 questions, and I should have been recording his face because he was getting frustrated figuring out silage pile size. We got it figured out. We're gonna stack tires against the poop pile because then when Dad stabs into them, he can't break anything. And we'll mark our pile. We gotta move silage that we're going to feed over to the bunker area, a couple piles here, for about 10 days-ish for sure. That way we can just cover the pile and leave it and ferment properly. And any of the silage that we don't end up moving to feed right away will just get spread out and be the start of our pile on the very bottom. Of the day, but this is also why I work out. That's, yeah, plenty. Getting some tomato face going on. We're getting there. Mom's got very much smaller buckets of tires coming for me, so, and she got the one that was speared off. It's stuck on there off, so loveliness. I'm glad there's a breeze today because it's warm, but get these done. We're gonna empty out that bin. We gotta grind corn, so that's done. Then we gotta move silage. Yeah. Make sure tractors are ready. The amount of spiders coming out of those tires, it's a good thing I'm not scared of spiders because good golly. They were like all over my legs. My legs are now very dirty. Time to switch from slinging tires to scooping corn. Ooh, I need my mask. Reverse. Reverse. Done. Ta-da!
250 or 300 bushels.
Do you need more?
Oh, 4 days. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday.
Yeah.
You got?
A little bit there yet.
Well, good move though.
Gotta move the auger and get more corn out of the other bin, dryer bin, so we can grind corn and be good to go for a while. We only got about like 4 days worth out of that bin when we got the last little bit out. So Dad's gonna put the bucket on the skid loader and we're gonna move the auger in a smart way. That way nobody's pulling their back muscles. This is our dryer bin. You can see put a spreader up there. I want to clarify with the fat cattle. I said in one of my previous videos here that we had sold some. We sell them once we get the bid, and then they don't leave for a couple weeks until there's the slot at the packer. So yes, we sold them, but like me not showing them, everyone was concerned I didn't show loading out. We didn't load them out yet. They're sold. We haven't been paid. We have a slot. In a couple weeks at some point, that's when they come get picked up. They'll leave. I will show you, I promise. That's pretty gnarly. Sweat and corn dust. But I gotta go run home. I'm gonna eat some lunch quick. I do a couple things. Dad's gonna finish grinding this corn. Then everyone else is gonna take a quick little lunch break. Then we need to pull some tires off of the silage pile yet and potentially start peeling back the plastic, but Dad talked about waiting just in case our chopper has issues, so we're not uncovering it, which I don't know if he's gonna decide yet. We also got to go with our packing tractor. So outside of that, we'll see what happens. But I mean, it's 12:21. We got a lot done already today, which feels fantastic. Also got to start washing tractors, making sure windows are clean, air filters are blown out, all of that jazz. So I will be back momentarily, which you'll see right next in this video, but just so you know, there's a little bit of a open time frame here. Getting silage moved. I just cut some plastic off so there's less trying to blow in the wind since it's windy today. And then we'll spread all this out, get the tires out, get the rest of the plastic out. Have a good time. Dad's piling in a couple spots. Right now he's by the modified over here. You can see the pile right there. Up here. My heart is pumping, sweating. There's a good breeze today, but there's no breeze when you're right next to the corn. Ooh, I got some of those left. This is empty, the other side's empty. I'll probably dump those over to Dad, to be honest, though. So we got like dirt and weeds on this end of the pile that we'll get out of here. Dad's just gonna keep pulling the nice silage out, and then some of the spoiled stuff I'm sure he'll mix in with dirt. Tires in that. I was like, please don't tip it over. I would cry. Just gotta get out of the way. Just dropped Mom off down in Iowa. Dropped her off to go get the blade tractor. She's on her way home. Dad was moving some more silage off of the pile, trying to see if he can get that at least somewhat leveled off, and then he'll level it off with the blade tractor, because the earliest we're going to chop is tomorrow afternoon. And that's if everything was going well for our chopper guy, fella, friend, neighbor today and tomorrow morning. So it could definitely still be Saturday morning as well as when we start chopping, but we'll see. Maybe they'll just get the field open tomorrow and then we'll hit it hard Saturday morning. I don't know, we'll find out. But I just dropped Mom off at least. Ness is my co-pilot here, and we're headed back home. So Mom will have her nice hour-and-a-half long drive to the farm with the tractor, but it'll be there for silage and then also for earlage. But caffeinating and moving on. It's 4:30 now. Got the call. We're chopping tomorrow morning now, so now we really got to get our butts in gear. Glad we did as much as we did today. There we go. Got a bunch of dirt. It's too heavy, but he'll get underneath of it, and then he'll take the tarp up and flip it over, and we'll flip all this dirt off of it and get her all out. There's not a lot of silage left, so we're getting there. And there's the start of our pile. Woohoo! Beautiful. Getting there. Looks like we started chopping already. I mean, this feed is really nice yet, though. Like, still holding some moisture. Our silage this year should have a little bit more optimal moisture. This was a touch dry, just because of drought conditions last year. But she's still really good quality, so she'll just be the base of everything. Yeah. Mom should be here with a packing tractor, hopefully soon. We gotta get the 4-wheel drive going too. Rest of this dirt, a little spoiled feed, make a pile, and then it'll go over to that pile to use later on, / dry out, whatever. Just gotta be out of the way because we'll drive in through here, dump right there-ish, and then ta-da! I'm really sick of throwing tires. Really sick of it. But oh, he's coming that way now. Wow, that corner didn't want to let go. Weird. Honestly, this is really impressive. Oh, I missed. He literally rolled it the entire way. Oh, man. She made it. Just under 2 hours. Yay. And Dad can push this silage with a blade if he wants. I gotta clean the windows. Looky, looky. It's here. Woohoo! That's all we got left. Just this little bitty pile of dirt, feed, and plastic. He's kind of just creating this like ball of fun. Oh yeah, just full send it, Dad. Full send it. Beautiful. Oh man. You ready?
What?
Are you ready?
No.
He's ready to have his head on a swivel constantly. Must be a good time. But now it's noon.
When you're trying to be easy enough, he knows when the chopper guy's going to be here, then he gives you a 1 day notice.
Yeah. Go, go, go today. Ta-da! On a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you for tomorrow?
So excited.
You love Silage Day.
It's fine.
He just wants to drive the packing tractor. Right?
I feel important on Silage Day. I feel needed.
You are needed. You know, my friends, they want to chase Nessa, but tomorrow's the day. Yeehaw! It'll be a good time. As always, got any questions, let me know. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we will see you next time.